or smiley? Cupcake or Ananya? Look at all of your mouths. Fond of cupcakes, children? Vihan, take your My Word Trip book, F page, and then circle all the F. Vihan, Pradyani, Sara, Varsha. All of you come on, take your F page, My Word Trip book, and circle all the small F.
Children,
Good
put your
morning,
mic on mute.
Varsha.
All of them, please put your mic on mute. It's okay.
Very good, Taruneshwar. Good morning, Radyarni. Mahilini, finish?
Finish பண்ணிட்டு சொல்லுங்க. Finish
Finish. Yeah, good morning, Makeshav. Finish, Mahilini. Then this cupcake is for Mahilini. Very good. Yeah, welcome. Good morning, Marudvin. Good morning. Next, who else? Tarneshwar, finish, Amma. Finish. Okay, you want smiley or cupcake? What do you need? Smiley or cupcake? What do you need? Smiley வேணுமா cupcake வேணுமா? Tarneshwar, can't hear me? Very good, Vihan. Cupcake for Vihan. Tarneshwar also. Tarneshwar also cupcake, okay? Yes? Hazel, finish.
Ma'am, want
Hazel.
to round F, ma'am?
Yeah, small F.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hazel, show me a book.
Show me.
Come closer.
Yes, Keshav's mom, any doubts?
Ma'am, page number, please.
My Word Trip book, F page.
Okay, okay.
Want me to tell you the page number 10. Very good, Hazel. Hazel, what do you want? Smiley or cupcake? What do you want?
What do you want?
Smiley or cupcake?
Both you need,
He wants both.
ரெண்டுமே வா. Both, okay. Both for Hazel, okay?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Small letter.
Next. Taruneshwar, why so confused today? Innamachu, what happened? Taruneshwar, say yes, ma'am. Let me hear. Say yes, ma'am, again. Yes, ma'am, சொல்லுங்க. Good morning, ma Jason. Taruneshwar. Am I audible, Taruneshwar, mom?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Audible only. Then why he is not speaking? What happened?
Please, mom, kita bisa yes, mom.
Finished. Very good, ma Radyani. Good. Smiley or cupcake? What do you need?
உனக்கு என்ன வேணும் ஸ்மைலி ஆர் கப்கேக்
Both. Oh my God, greedy children. Smiley and cupcake. Okay. Tarneshwar can know what Tarneshwar needs. Smiley. Okay. Smile. Smile like this, smiley. Let me see. Very nice. Next for finish. Varsha. Very good, Varsha. Very good, Keshav. Both together. Okay. Cupcake and smiley. Cupcake, smiley. Okay. Welcome, Varsha. Next is Keshav. Very good, Keshav. What do you need? Cupcake or smiley?
Cupcake, yes, ma'am.
Cupcake. Yeah, cupcake. Okay. Okay. Fine. Everyone has. Yeah, welcome, ma. Everyone has finished your activity. Very good. Now all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Let's start our session. Let's start. Good morning, Sarah. Sarah present today. Good. Good morning. Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Ready? It's the anthem. You are within. You are. Yeah, who's going to say? Okay. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Who said Kidzi Anthem today? I didn't see your face. Who said Kidzi Anthem? Taruneshwara. Good. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, loud good morning from everyone. Come on. Unmute yourself and a big loud good morning to Vanilla ma'am. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Okay, good morning. All of you stand up, don't sit down. Warm up activity you don't want to do, Shall we skip it? You don't want to do, right? Okay, we leave. Shall we leave? Vendamma warm up activity. You want or you don't want? Come on, tell me. Oh, who's that Vanda? Ah, achuchu. Who's that? Very good. All of you go drink water and come back. Very good, Dashwan. Good morning, Dashwan. When did you join? Yeah, good morning, Kana. Very good. Next. Where is Jason? Absent, ah?
No. Yeah,
Ah, you're here, ah, okay. Next.
yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Next.
நீதான் சொல்லு. Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Radyani. Next.
Yeah,
Rudvin.
I am.
Very good,
Yeah.
Rudvin. You're teaching him, ah, Rudvin's mom? He himself is saying?
He himself saying.
Very good. Good, ma, Rudvin. Next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Sarah. Why Sarah is taking lot of leave, huh? Daily you have to come, okay, Sarah?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, ma, Ananya. Next.
Yes, I am, ma'am.
Very good, ma, Sukdeep Gautam. Next.
Yeah,
Very good, Visha. Next.
I am, ma'am.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Next.
யார்
Yeah, I am, ma'am.
Very good, Mahilini. Next.
Hey, Yaya.
Very good, Mitra.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, ma, Taruneshwar.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Vihan. Very good, Vihan.
Ma'am.
Very good, ma, Madhuvanti. That's it. Now all of you clap your hands, children. A loud clap. Why you know? Because today there is no absentees. Everyone is present today. So clap your hands. Very good. Regularly you have to attend your class like this only. Okay, very good. Good children. Okay, next is our rhyme session. Rhymes, we already finished family rhymes, right? Yes? Okay, who are all there in a family, children? Come on, tell me who knows. Who are all there in a family? Who are all there? Come on, let me know. Yes? Ah, father, mother, then brother, then ah, sister, then who all are there? Come on, come on, ma, Varsha. Who are all there in a family? Hmm. Come on, let me hear. I can't hear nobody answering. Okay, brother, then father, mother, brother, grandpa, ah, grandma. Okay, very good. And then little brother and sister, whoever it is. Yes, no? Okay, all these members, they are in a family. So, ma'am is now going to show you a family picture. Let me see how many of you are going to identify. Okay, now I'm going to show you and you are going to touch the family members. Okay, children? 1 minute.
Chorus.
Yeah. Yeah, members of a family. All of you, come on, touch grandfather in your screen.
Very good.
Grandfather in your screen. Vihan, take out your finger from your mouth.
Very good.
Grandfather. Yes, okay. Now, very good. Now, next is grandmother. Touch grandmother. How did you find out it is grandfather and grandmother? எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சீங்க grandfather and grandmother? How? Yes? Anyone? Okay, wait. Wait a minute, children. I'll ask Jason. Jason, how did you find out grandfather and grandmother?
சொல்லு.
I
Huh?
found it.
How did you find out?
Somewhere in my screen.
Why?
I found. சொல்லு.
How did you find out?
It's all white.
They have white hair. When you grow older. Now, what is the color of your hair, children? What is the color of your hair? It's black in color, right? When you grow older, your hair will become white in color. Okay. So with that only you are identifying grandfather and grandmother, right? Okay. Now, father. Touch the father picture.
Yes.
Where is father? Father. Next is mother. Mother. Very good. What color dress is mother wearing? What color dress? Green and blue color pant. Very good. Now next is brother. Touch the brother. Where is brother?
My brother.
Okay, what color shirt is brother wearing? Yellow. Very good. And now touch the sister. Where is sister? Yeah, very good. What is sister wearing? Which color dress? Very good, Radhyani. Pink color dress. And then baby brother, little brother. Where is the little brother, baby brother?
Baby.
Yeah, baby. Very good. So these are the family members. Okay, now mute yourself, all of you. Father, mother, brother, sister, and then this is the baby brother. Okay, and then grandfather, grandmother. So all these are family members. Okay, and next we are going to see is community helpers. Today another topic we are going to see, that is community helpers. Who are community helpers, children? Tell me, who are community helpers? People who help us to function our life in a proper way. Okay, for example, as soon as you get up early in the morning, காலையில எழுந்த உடனே you will have milk, right? Where will you get the milk? Milk எங்க கிடைக்கும்? In shop only. No, if there is no shop, where will you go and buy the milk? Where will you go and buy vegetables? If you are sick, if you are having fever, cold, something, where will you go? Where will you go? Yeah, you go to a hospital, right? If there is no hospital, where will you go? You will be sick as it is, okay? So these people are the community helpers who help us to function our life in a proper way, okay? So let's see who are all the community helpers. Who is this? You see in the screen. Who's this, children? Doctor and you can see a lady here, nurse, okay? And they work in the hospital. And this is the vehicle they use. What vehicle is that? Yeah, very good. It's an ambulance. Okay, now the next community helper is, who's the next community helper? Firefighter. Okay, firefighter. Okay, and he works in a fire station. And what is this vehicle? Fire engine. Very good. When will you call the fire station people? When will you call the firefighter? Yes, what the firefighter will do? firefighter என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? What he will do? Huh?
சொல்லுங்க.
Put out
What?
water.
Put off fire, okay? Put off water கிடையாது, put off the fire. When there is fire, if a building is on fire, we'll call the fire station and the firefighter will come and put out the fire, okay? So this is firefighter. And next, can you see who's this?
Linda.
Carpenter, okay? A carpenter works with wood. Okay, see, you all have doors and windows, right? Where is the door and window in your home? Point out the door and windows. Where is the door and windows in your home? Doors, windows, table, chair made out of wood. So all these things are made by carpenter. Okay, he deals with wood materials. And then what is he having in his hand? It is a saw. With that only he will cut the wood. Okay. Next, a painter and a barber. See what the painter is doing? The painter is painting the wall, right? And what the barber is doing? He is cutting hair, trimming the hair, okay? If you have lot of hair, what you'll do? You'll go to the barber shop, right? He will trim your hair and all and it will be perfect, okay? So this is painter and barber, okay? And what they are using? Painter is using a brush and barber is using a comb and a scissor. Can you see the scissor? For that only we are saying you should not play with scissors and all, okay, children? And next is the plumber. Okay, plumber. Plumber, what he will do? If your tap and all are repaired, if it is not working properly, so you will call a plumber to repair that. Okay, see, he is working with the pipes and all. And you can see what tool he is using. Children, today's worksheet is based on this only. Only when you listen and observe the things, you will do the worksheet properly. Okay, so listen and observe what they are using. You can see the wrench here. He is having a wrench in his hand. With that only he will repair all the pipes and everything, taps and all, okay? And next, who's this?
Policeman.
Very good. He's a policeman. He catches the thief. Yeah, he catches the thief. Thief are very bad people, right? And he works in a police station and he uses a jeep for traveling, okay? And next is the, who's this? Can anyone say? Very good, Madhvanti. He's a traffic police. Without a traffic police, how will you go? All the traffic will get jammed, right? Then you will not be able to go smoothly. So he's a traffic police. And you can see the signal also here. Touch the traffic signal, children. Where is the traffic signal?
Signal.
Touch it. Very good. That is the traffic signal. Very good. Red, yellow, and green. Red means you have to stop. Okay. Yellow means you have to wait. Green means you can go. Okay. And next is, who's this? He's a shopkeeper. And he is selling fruits. Okay. And what he uses? He uses a weighing machine. See here. This is the weighing machine. Okay. And next is the sweeper. Sweeper plays a great role nowadays, children, due to all this virus. And now sweeper, he keeps the area clean. Okay. And what he is using? He is using a broom here. Okay. And this is a cobbler. Cobbler, when your shoes are torn, where will you go? You'll go to a cobbler to stitch the shoes, okay? See, he's mending shoes. He's a cobbler. And who's this finally? Who's this? Postman. Yeah, postman delivers letter. When you're writing letter to your friends or anything, you will post it in the post box. See, where is the post box here? Touch the post box, everyone. Where is the post box? It is what color? Post box is what color? Orange.
Yes.
Post box is red in color. Okay. We will post the letter in the post box, and the postman will take the letter and he will deliver it to the respective places. So once again, postman, cobbler, sweeper, shopkeeper, traffic police, policeman, plumber, painter and barber, carpenter, firefighter, doctor and nurse. So all these people are community helpers. And now I want you to take worksheet number 18 CT. 18 CT. D18 CT. D18 CT. Match it, children. What are the vehicles they use respectively? A dog. Write today's date first. Today's date is 2/7/27 dash 7 dash 2121. Children, after the session, I want you to color today's date, okay? 2/7/27 dash 7 dash 2121. And start matching. First is doctor, second is policeman, and the third one is firefighter. So you have to match what vehicles they use. First, doctor, which vehicle he will use? Who knows the answer? Ambulance. Very good. So match the ambulance. And next is policeman. What policeman will use? What he will use? Jeep. Very good. Policeman will use a jeep. Okay. Next, firefighter. He will use a fire engine. Very good, children.
Firefighter.
And those who are finished, next take your 19 CT page. Those who are finished. D19 CT. Very good. Very good. D19 CT. This page. Yeah, very good, children. D19 CT. This page. Yes. Here you are going to circle the respective materials, what they use. Okay. First is cobbler. What a cobbler will use? What the cobbler will use? Scissor or this mending tool or ambulance. Which he will use? This one. This stand. This one. Circle this one. Okay. Second is the barber. Barber, what he will use? He will use a scissor and comb. See where is scissor and comb? Scissor and comb. See where it is and match it. Here, middle. Scissor and comb. Third one, this is a shopkeeper. He uses a weighing machine. Where is the weighing machine? Here you have ambulance, hammer and weighing machine. So this is weighing machine. Circle the weighing machine. This one. And fourth one is sweeper. It's obvious she is using a broom. Circle the broom. This one, first picture. Finish all of you. Finish and okay. Now the next worksheet. Next worksheet is D20 CT. D20 CT. Ready, children? Shall we start? It's only matching, right? Matching and circling. Easy only. Do it first. Okay, now come on, match all of you. A doctor uses a stethoscope. Match the stethoscope here. He'll keep it in the ears and he will examine, stethoscope. And next is postman. Postman, what you will match, children? Postman. What you will match? Post box. Very good, Dashwan. Post box. Very good. And then policeman, what you will match?
இது policeman. Policeman என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க?
Policeman. Police jeep. Very good, Dashwan. Police jeep. Very good. And next is firefighter. What you will match? Well done. Fire engine. Next. Sweeper. What you will match? The corporation truck is there. You can see. You would have seen, no, corporation truck. Yeah, corporation truck here. And then the final one, cobbler, the mending stand. Okay? Finish? Finished? Well done.
போஸ்ட் பாக்ஸ் இங்க இருக்கு
Postman, post box. Policeman, police jeep. Firefighter, fire engine. Sweeper, corporation truck.
இது வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் இங்க இருக்கு ஸ்வீப்பர் வந்து
Do yourself, do children. It's very easy. When you think, no, you will do it on yourself. No need of anyone's help. You can do it on your own. Very easy only. Good. Very good, everyone. Finished, everyone? Show me your books. Let me see. Yeah, very good. Completed, everyone? Very good. Now, all of you take your math notebook. Yeah, very good. Take your maths notebook, children. Just take your math notebook, take a fresh page. Parents, I want you to write and give them 1 to 15 numbers. Sorry, 1 to 16. Yesterday we finished 16, right? 1 to 16. 3 numbers in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me show how to write one. See, like this, you should write 1, 2, 3 with equal space, so that when I tell them the numbers, it will be easy for them to circle. We didn't do this activity, right?
Yesterday we did, ma'am, till 15.
Till 15 we did,
Yesterday we did, ma'am.
finished.
Till 15, ma'am.
Till 15 we did. Okay, the same page do you have? We still have left out numbers, I think.
Yeah, 3 numbers. 139.
Absent is only they would have not done. Okay, then circle number 16, children. No need to do it freshly then. In circle number 16. Circle number 16.
Ma'am, 15 வரைக்கும் தான் நேத்து.
Yeah, 16 you write and give them extra in that page. Let them circle 16. 1, 6, 16.
பாத்துக்கிறேன்.
Good.
1, 6, 16 and
Circle number 3. 3. Find out where is number 3. Yesterday itself we did it.
Sorry, uncle, inga.
What, ma, Madhuvanti? Recircled, da?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Now take a fresh page, children. We are going to write from 11 to 16, okay? Next to that page itself, you start writing Madhuvanti Party. Madhuvanti, unmute yourself, Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti, unmute பண்ணுங்க. First write 1 1 11. 1 1 11.
Have to write, ma'am. Students have to write, ma'am.
Student have to write. You need not write. Only till 16 we are going to write. One 11. Leave one block and then to the next block you write 1 to 12. ஒரு block விட்டுட்டு எழுதணும் 1 to 12. Why Mahilini is drawing a line?
Ma'am, she's just repeating.
Why ma Mahilini? I have no lines here, so I am drawing. You need not draw. நீ வரைய வேண்டாமா? Come on, write 1 to 12.
1 1 11. 1 to 12.
I don't have space here, so I am doing like this. You need not do like that.
Box full ஆயிடும்.
Next is 1 3 13. 1 3 13. 1 4 14. 1 5 15. And then 1 6 16. Very good. Well done, Majesu. And today's new number, what we are going to learn is 17. Okay, you have the left out space there, right, children? Write number 17. Okay, and then draw group of 10 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is group of 10. And then 7 separately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Group of 10 separately and 7 separately. 17. Write number 17 and then do. Write number 1, 7, 17.
1 7 17 கீழே கிட்ட வா இங்க போடுங்க இதுக்கு நேரம் இந்த கட்டத்துல போடு ஒரு கட்டம் விட்டு விட்டு போடுன்றேன் போடு 7 17
Draw group of 10 and 7 separately. It is not compulsory that you have to draw only circles, children. You can draw whatever you need. Circle the group of 10. As soon as you finish 10 objects, you have to circle. Then only it will become group of 10. Okay, see how ma'am has circled group of 10. No? Very good, Jason. Good. Group of 10, first you finish and circle it. And then separately you have to draw 7. Very good. Visha, very good, Visha. 1 minute. Show me, Visha. Let me see 1 minute. Yeah, group of 10 and 7 separately. Good.
Thank you,
Count and draw, children. Count and draw. Who finished? Keshav. Very good, Keshav. Clear. Very good. Well done. Which is group of 10, Keshav? Which is group of 10? Ah, very good. Jason, which is group of 10, Jason? Which is group of 10, Jason? Show me which is group of 10.
वो नोट लगामी मैम बुक लगा वो नोट लगामी ग्रुप ऑफ 10 उकांद कामी तो तेरी
That is
नो
big.
That is group of 10. Okay? Yeah, very good. Good, everyone. Finished up. Okay, now shall we move on to our next worksheet? Take your worksheet book. Take your worksheet book. And the worksheet number is D16MT, 17 number worksheet. D16MT.
So date puduma. 7.
Write today's date and start writing. 27/27 dash 7 dash 2121. First circle the group of 10, then count 7 and then write, children.
27.
See here. This page 17.
27. Keeping line, standing line. Dash 7.
Hazel, where is your book? Start writing number 17. Parents, we have a talk time on Friday regarding family members, okay? So the child has to dress up like grandfather or grandmother or father or mother, whichever character they like, except brother and sister. And then they have to speak 3 lines about the character. This will be conducted on Friday.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. You have to dress up like your character, whatever you choose, okay? If you are choosing your grandfather, means like grandfather itself, you have to dress up. Or your mother means like how your mother will dress up. Like that you have to dress up and speak 3 lines about it. $70, no one is spelling it out. Sri Ananya, spell out and write 17, 17.
17.
17, yeah.
17.
Yeah, good Makeshwar.
1, 7.
17. I'm going to play rhymes for you. Fast, write fast. You finish only, I'll play rhymes, or else no rhymes. Finish fast. Finish. Very good, Hazel. Circle group of 10. First group of 10 you circle and then count one by one. Sukriv Gautam.
Please, ma'am.
Not feeling well today.
Yeah, ma'am, he's not. I couldn't
Okay, let
compel
him do slowly. No problem. If he's fine, he will do it on his own. No problem. Okay, Sukriv Gautam, you need not write. You write afterwards. Apparama ezhudunga, no problem. Okay? You want rhymes? Shall I play rhymes for you?
Rhymes play பண்றாங்க. You need
Okay?
till.
Yeah, very good children.
எல்லாம் finish பண்றாங்க. Rhymes வேணுமா வேணாமா? நீ மேம்கிட்ட கேளு.
Yeah, I'm going to play rhymes only, don't worry.
உட்காரு, முன்னாடி உட்காரு, கோல பெரிய.
Please, ma'am.
Yes, okay, ma. 1 minute. Everyone has finished.
சரி, good morning. Magalini is doing.
Yeah, do. One 7-17. Yeah, okay, children. Those are finished. Okay, wait. Okay, I'll play for you. Let others also finish. Very good, Bisha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Very good, Radhyarni. Good. Mahilini, if you write fast, only I'll play the rhymes for you. Fast, எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
Next last one. First one. அப்புறம் சரி.
Who is still writing? Kavi Karthika finish?
Very good.
Dharmesh is writing.
Not writing, ma'am.
Why, ma Dashwan?
Dashwan, come. Dashwan, come.
Come on, Dashwan.
Sit here. Dashwan.
Dashwan, bad boy, ah. Come here, Dashwan. Come and write fast. Rhymes podra, ma'am. Come on. Come here. Good boy, no? Vanga inga. Varsha, finish.
See, finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma Varsha. Mahini, finish. Taruneshwar.
Sound or sound?
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Hazel.
Hazel, say finish.
Finish. Very good. Okay, then I'll play. Okay, 1 minute.
Hi, kids. Do you know the months of the year? Here's a song to help you remember all 12 months. Mother Hen is going to sing it for us. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now, let's sing along with Mother Hen. Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Great job! Now, let's sing it quietly. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Fantastic! Now, let's sing it really loud. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Outstanding! Now that you know the song, let's try it really fast. Are you ready? Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. One more time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Monday.
Okay, did you all enjoy the rhyme, children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
Yes, very good, children. Okay, thank you. And today's homework will be worksheet number D20. Sorry, 1 minute. I'll send you also one more time. I'll inform you. D20LT. This butterfly page will be your homework. You have to join all the dots and color it beautifully and send it to mom. Okay, this will be your homework today. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Sarah's mom, can you please wait?
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Yeah, bye
ma'am.
everyone.
Bye.
Sarah.
Bye.
Yeah, bye everyone. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma.